With the all-new 2022 Pathfinder, we've added a lot of interior flexibility and seating flexibility options. We started with giving the entire car 10 more cubic feet of space. But what does that really mean? Well, if you're here, it means that you've now got this under console storage that allows you to put anything from a camera bag to a diaper bag or wet wipes to Kleenex there, so they're easy to access and out of the way. Moving to the second row, we've innovated on a system that we originally debuted with the Pathfinder called Easy Flex Latch and Glide. What it means is it allows you to keep a car seat in the interior and still access the third row. But we've made it even better by an easy to reach button. Simply push that and the entire second row moves out of the way, allowing you to walk right into the third row. We've also made some innovative storage solutions in the cargo area as well, starting with this underfloor storage, which we've made bigger and easier to clean. It allows you to put all your adventure gear here, and the best part is after that adventure is over, it becomes a storage box for all your dirty gear. Above it, we've made this cargo area wider, so now you can put 4-foot wide building materials here, including sheets of plywood, for example. And for that airport run, you can now put 6 TSA carry-ons behind the third row and still close the liftgate. These are just a few of the innovations we've made in the Pathfinder to make life easier both on the road and off the road for adventurous families.